so lucky. Let's leave my hands.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. I know what you're thinking. Molly is not in your video, and what the heck is that? These are the date hoppers, not the date hopper. I understand that. Molly is actually wedding dress shopping today. If you haven't seen our most recent video, we just recently got engaged, so that's exciting news. And we're actually went back home to Cape Cod, Massachusetts to celebrate a little bit with family, and I got my sister's graduation, a lot going on. But anyways, I wanted to film a cool video while I was up here because my sister actually just recently opened up a business. It's a really unique idea, and nobody's really doing it much up here. So I had to film a video when, you know, it's that unique. I'm not sure how many of our viewers have ever been to Cape Cod or New England, but everybody's crazy about boats and ocean and, yeah, seafood, mostly seafood. But anyways, this whole idea is called Sea Scoops, and it's essentially ice cream delivery on the water. And I just thought that was really cool because I've seen ice cream boats before that are, you know, the little SpongeBob bars and whatever. I'm sure you guys are used to Mickey bars, but this is all homemade ice cream. So she partnered with a local ice cream shop, and they go out on the water with a, you know, huge freezer, it looks like, and they deliver cups of ice cream. They even have pop cups and sodas and everything in between. It's pretty cool. So I wanted to film a video on the whole thing, show you guys how that works, and if you're ever on Cape Cod, you gotta look them up and check this out because, like I said, it's pretty unique. So I am gonna show you how this whole thing works and where this all works out of, and yeah, we're gonna go eat some ice cream, I guess, in the morning. Whatever. Ice cream in the morning is good for you. And yeah, maybe I'll even get my sister on here on camera to explain how the whole process works and how it all came to be. If you guys are ever on Cape Cod and you want some ice cream while you're out on your boat or even on the beach, look up Sea Scoops. Let's go do this. Alright, so right off the bat, as you can see, here is the ice cream boat. They got their ice cream flag right here, and they got their big sign up there, Sea Scoops, based out of West Falmouth, Massachusetts. So a lot of Cape Cod is filled with boats, as you can tell from this beautiful water. If you guys have never been to Cape Cod, we are famous for beaches, oceans, seafood, everything, coastal stuff. And so my sister and her husband decided to start up this business. As you can see, they got coolers right here. And right here that's the big boy. That's the mega cooler that actually is electronic and stays a certain temperature the whole time to keep that ice cream cool. On those hot summer days, you're gonna need that. So yeah, so we're about to head out on the water and start delivering ice cream to kids and families and everything like that. And we'll show you how this works. And yeah, just thought that was a really unique idea. And I know most of our vlogs are Disney and theme park based, but figured I'd give you guys something new and different for a change and see if you guys like it. So yeah, let's head out on the ocean. Alright guys, so we are on the boat. Well, I am not driving the boat, but it's okay. Back here, my sister's husband, my brother-in-law, just explained this incredible cooler that is currently fit with 94 cups of ice cream. So they can fit up to 100, and I was telling them that during 4th of July and those busy seasons, I'm sure they're gonna have to make a run and get some more on those busy days. But as you can see, it's a really beautiful day out here on the Cape. Boats everywhere, very calm water, which is really nice, and they mostly just stick in the West Falmouth Harbor, but I'm sure there's plenty of room for growth. So we're about to take off, and if it's really loud, that's because there's an engine on the boat. All right, so we're out on the water now. This is my sister. She is one of the co-owners of Sea Scoops, and she's surfing, I guess. Whatever she's doing.
This is our new wow mat, and it's 20 feet long, Try not to fall. So Sea Scoops is a new local ice cream boat on Cape Cod. We're based out of West Falmouth Harbor. We're the only homemade ice cream boat around. We have a local vendor called Polar Ice Cream, Polar Cave Ice Cream, and we have everything that is eco-friendly. So this is called Simply Rainwater. It's all recyclable. Nothing is plastic on the boat. The spoons are wooden. The ice cream cups are in biodegradable containers, and we do walk around everywhere we stop and take everyone's trash and recyclables with us. We do sell Coca-Cola products and some snacks as well.
Yeah, so everything's very eco-friendly, which is pretty cool. And
we're gonna get some music going soon. We'll have the ice cream song playing.
Yeah.
And this thing's going to be a big hit on a nice day, I think. Kids are going to swim up, they're going to play, they're going to order their ice cream, and I'm excited to just lay out on it.
Yeah, and I'm excited to hopefully watch her not fall in the water.
Yeah. Cut.
So, it was a little rainy, but we're on the move. They are stationed all out here on the West Falmouth Harbor, so they bounce around to a few different spots. We met some fishermen, and they want ice cream later. But we're gonna head back to the dock that way, because believe it or not, literally where they are stationed, and before they even go out on the water, right on that dock is a popular place where people go and walk down. So they get plenty of business right there. Apparently a kid wanted a cotton candy ice cream at 11 a.m., which I guess is not surprising because he's a kid, but still. We're gonna head that way towards the dock and over towards Chappaquoy Beach. Anybody who knows Cape Cod knows about Chappaquoy Beach and Old Silver. And hopefully sell some ice cream. And yeah, this has been very fun. As you can tell, by the way, I now have a Sea Scoop shirt. So basically I'm an employee, paid in ice cream, which honestly is a pretty good payment. So yeah, check out our ice cream flag. It's very nice, isn't it? Well, it wouldn't be ice cream if we didn't have an ice cream song blasting on the ocean. Because nothing screams a peaceful day on the water like this song, right? It's a really wonderful song. In fact, every once in a while, a voice says, hello, and I still don't know why that is in an ice cream song, but we're here, and we're gonna attract customers today. One ice cream song at a time.
Hello.
See? There it is! I told you guys. We're headed to the dock, and we're gonna go sell some ice cream and show you how this whole thing works. So we're out on the boat. We just stopped at our next stop. Like I said, they tend to go in between the dock, over by the beach side, over by the harbor side. It's kind of bouncing around wherever business demands. And I wanted to show you guys these little tiny pup cups, which is great for dogs, obviously. They're only, what, $2?
Yeah.
$2, which is pretty cool. And the dogs absolutely love them. And this huge cooler here, massive, and it fits, like I said earlier, about 94. As you can see, all that ice cream in there. Pretty impressive, tons of different flavors, and all of it is homemade. So it's very cool. It's just a completely unique product to offer to the people.
Stick. Probably so fancy. Coffee.
Pontoon boat here. You'll see the sandbar and the high tide boat coming in.
All right. Here. Oh. Cold.
All right, so we just made a sale. We showed up on this dock. Very nice ladies with their dog Alfie, who's apparently a big fan of Sea Scoop's Pup Cups. I tried to capture as much of that on video as possible. But basically, he just took the entire ball of ice cream and ate it all at once because he's a dog, so that's what happens. But what were the ladies' names?
Nina and Lisa.
Nina and Lisa. Very nice ladies, and they love raspberry sorbet, so yeah, pretty cool. We just rolled up right up to the beach, and we're gonna head right back out to the water again, and hopefully find some more customers because it's getting to be a much more beautiful day out. And yeah, it's ice cream on the water, so where can you find that? So we got another stop. We're stopping by the beach. The tide just came in, so there's a lot of brand new beach over here. And there's people hanging out with their dogs. And maybe we'll sell some pup cups. I don't know. So see, we are now on the beach, which is pretty cool. Take your boat all the way over here. Earlier it was high tide, so all this sand, all this land right here was underwater. And it's becoming lower and lower tide right now. And this is a very popular spot for people to come out on the Cape. It's called Little Island, over by West Falmouth. As you can see, some beautiful water out here. You can actually usually spot right out there in the distance over the rocks. It's Martha's Vineyard, which is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. And looks like there's a family down there. They pulled up their little boat. People walking over there as well. So it's a nice little spot, and I thought this would be a great little spot for them to sell some ice cream. They just opened up this business, Sea Scoops, just last weekend actually, and they sold out on their first weekend. So a very successful first weekend. I'm lucky enough to be on the boat with them and kind of learn how this process works and see firsthand what this is all about. But it's pretty cool, beautiful day, and who doesn't like ice cream, right? As much as Molly and I love Orlando and love living in Cape Cod, I will say we are very blessed to be from here. Beautiful Cape Cod, and yeah, who doesn't love beaches and seafood and, you know, boats? And it's a really beautiful place, and that we both got to grow up in, and you know, getting to visit now in the summer times is always great. And I don't know, I really hope some of you guys, anybody who's watching this video, gets a chance to come visit someday, because we really love it here someday, and we really love it here, and hopefully we'll move back up north eventually someday. And yeah, so it's tough to beat a place like this, right? We found the smallest hermit crab ever. There's lots of hermit crabs on Cape Cod, but I haven't really found anything this small before, so I'm getting as close as humanly possible to Sierra's hand.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, you got this. Oh, and no.
He's coming out.
He's in there though.
See his little claw?
Oh. Alright guys, so that's about it for us. We actually just did a few more sails over here on the beach, and my sister and her husband are going to be out for several more hours, but I'm going to head in. I wanted to grab a video though of this entire experience and showcase what a cool business idea. Cape Cod, obviously famous for seafood and beaches and all stuff summertime, but they're also very famous for their homemade ice cream, believe it or not. And Molly and I have found out down in Orlando that we just really can't find homemade ice cream the way it is up on the Cape. So it's just very unique and cool of an idea to be selling ice cream like that, homemade ice cream on the water. And I just thought it was a great idea, and wanted to show you guys a little bit about it. So if you guys are ever on the Cape and you want an ice cream while you're out on the beach or on the boat, you know, look up Sea Scoop and head over towards them, or maybe they'll find you. And grab yourself a cup of homemade ice cream, or maybe your dog needs a pup cup. I thought that was really cool, meeting little Alfie over there, and he went to town on that pup cup. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Hope you guys like this video. I tried to show off a little bit of the magic of Cape Cod, and to conclude this video, I'll showcase little up close videos of some hermit crabs and, you know, ocean life, you know. But if you guys want to check out more of our content, definitely please subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you liked, and if you have any video requests, restaurant reviews, anything like that around Orlando, Florida, or anywhere beyond, definitely please recommend them to us, or ask us. We're always open to new ideas. And yeah, check us out on all of our social media pages. We always appreciate the support, and like always, my name is Jared. No Molly to say, my name is Molly, but we are the Date Hoppers, dating, attractions, theme parks, and more. So thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the flip-flop.
All right. Here.